Very good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about fourth cell organelle called endoplasmic reticulum. So, endoplasmic reticulum. Endo means inside, plasmic means related to cytoplasm. Mm? Reticulum means a tube-like structure or reticular structures. Okay, a channel-like structure means this endoplasmic reticulum is present inside the cytoplasm in the form of channels. So we are calling this as endoplasmic reticulum. The name was given by K.R. Porter. K.R. Porter in the year 1953. So by observing a cell under the microscope, electron microscope, he observed a network of membranes all around the inside the cytoplasm. These network he called them as endoplasmic reticulum. So here if you see the structure of a endoplasmic reticulum, it is membranous structure. It is membranous structure. So many membranes are there. Here endoplasmic reticulum is closely attached to the nuclear membrane. If you see the structure, it is a nucleus, it is a nuclear pore, it is nuclear membrane. So very close to the nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum is arranged. If you see the complete structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, it has two partitions or two parts, two different parts like rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. If you see the difference between rough endoplasmic and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, on the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum there are some ribosomes. About ribosomes we already discussed in the previous chapter. Yes, so here presence of ribosomes makes the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So ribosomes are participates in protein synthesis na? To manufacture the proteins, ribosomes are involving. Here rough endoplasmic reticulum also, it is useful to manufacture or synthesize the proteins. Next one, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. On the surface of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum there are no granule-like structures or no ribosomes. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the synthesis of lipids or fat. These proteins and lipids or fats, they are useful for repairing the cell structure and they are useful for many cellular activities. So here endoplasmic reticulum, it is a membrane. I told na, it is almost similar in the structure. It is similar in a plasma membrane structure. Okay, so about rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum we have discussed already. Rough endoplasmic reticulum involves in protein manufacture. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is involving in the manufacture of the fat molecules or lipids. They are useful for the cell function. These proteins and lipids, after synthesizing in this place, they are transported through the ER means endoplasmic reticulum channels inside the cell. Means inside the cell there are many cell organelles. For any repairing these proteins and fats, they move through the channel called endoplasmic reticulum. And some of these proteins and lipids, they help in the building of the cell membrane, means for the preparation for repairment of the cell membrane. These proteins and lipids are involved. If you see the main functions of the ER, there are three functions. One is they act as a channel for transporting the materials between the cytoplasm and different cell organelles or cytoplasm and nucleus. And second one is it acts as a cytoplasmic framework, means it has so many membranes na. It provides a space for biochemical activities inside the cell. And next one is in invertebrate liver cells, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a major role to detoxify the poisons and drugs. So now and then we hear this voice. What is that? Liver is not working, that's why all the toxicants, all the poisonous materials in the body are accumulated. Means liver is not working in the sense, liver cells, inside the liver cells, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is not working. Okay, so if it is not work well, liver cannot do its work. What is the liver function? It detoxifies the materials. Means it removes the poisonous materials from our body. Okay, so up to here I'll stop, children. You prepare well, drink plenty of water and get ready for the exam. Thank you.